good morning. How are you guys? Good day, good afternoon, whatever time it is now, guys. This morning on my channel, Henry Family TV, HENRYS Family TV, I'm showing you how I'm going to cook my stew peas. I'm going to cook stew peas and rice this morning or today or afternoon, whatever time. So here is my stew peas. Here's my pigtail, guys. Can you see? This is my pigtail. I already soak it. I try to soak it overnight because it is very salt. So I soak it already, scrape it already, wash it already. So I'm going to scald it off in my pot here. Okay, guys? And this is my peas, red peas. Okay. So just follow me as I show you what I'm doing. Okay, guys? So I already wash it over here, soak it. And what I did, guys, I cut the fat off. I tried to cut these stuff off, right? It's not really good, so I tried to cut all of them off. Maybe not all, but I tried to cut them off. Okay, I don't know how you do it, but most time I just cut these off. Okay, guys. And guys, try to scrape your pigtail like this. Try to scrape. I scrape already, but try to scrape it off. I do like this. I'm just showing you what I do because I already do it. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. I have my water here ready, boiling up, and I have my water here. After I scald it, I pour this water in it. Okay, so watch me as I go. Watch as I go, guys. So I can scald this maybe at 8 minutes, and I put it for boil for maybe about 8 minutes. I just boil the salt off. But guys, if you like the salt, you don't have to put it to soak like from overnight. You can just get up in the morning and wash it off and boil it off. But when there's too much salt, it's not good for hypertension, or it's not really good. That's with too much salt. But I try to put mine to soak overnight or in the morning, guys. Also with my peas, I try to soak my peas before. Okay? So to make it easier, you put your soaked peas to put your peas to soak in the morning or whatever time in the night or whatever. But you can do it before. Okay, guys? So after this one is boiled, half boil or quarter boil, I turn off this, throw away this water. I have a water here waiting on it. So as soon as this one is ready, I put this one in it. And you can put both of them together, guys. Put your pea, if you want to put your peas with your pigtail at the same time, you can put it together. If you don't want to put it at the same, if one is softer than the other, most time the pigtail is softer. The peas rather is softer. Okay, guys? So you can do whatever form you want to do. Okay? So I'm going to put some more water in this. So as soon as this finished, I pour this one into the pigtail. Okay, so watch as I go. So I have enough water here. So I'm going to put pigtail, peas. Also, I'm going to make some juice. Can you see this? I have melon here. Melon, carrots, ginger, lemon, and a beetroot. Okay, guys, I'm going to make, and I think I have some guava. I think I have some guava in my fridge. I'm going to search if I have guava, if I can find any guava. So it's stew peas, white rice, and juice. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you as I go. Just watch my channel. And remember, guys, to subscribe, please. Like, share, make a comment, please. And you can just comment and tell me how do you make your stew, please. And also you can put coconut milk in it. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any coconut milk, but I have coconut milk here. You can put your coconut milk in your stew, please. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, but I'm just telling you that you can do it also. So after this now, I'm going to pressure my pigtail also with the peas. All right, guys. So my pot is ready. My cover is ready, waiting on it to boil. Okay, guys. So remember to share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. Welcome back, guys. So my pig's tail is called off, right? You can see it there. It's all stalled up. So I'm going to throw away this water. So guys, I wash it off again. So I'm going to put my hot water in it now. Watch me, guys. Be careful. So guys, I'm going to put my peas in. This peas is too much. If you want to put your peas in the cold water, fine. If you want to put it in the boiling water, fine. So I'm going to put my peas in the hot water because the water is already hot. Okay, guys? I'm going to take some. Look at it. You want to cook them together. Why I did all of this is because of the salt. I want to get rid of all my salt. Or not all, some of the salt, guys. Okay. Get it, guys? I'm just showing you how I do it. Just let me know how you do yours, guys. You can take some more peas. Or you put whatever peas you want. Let's see. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use all of the peas. Guys, because I have a lot of pig steaks, I can use all of the peas. And make sure you wash your peas, guys. I wash mine, put it to soak. See? That's it. Maybe the one. You can see it, guys. Look at it. This water is too much. I'm going to take out some of the water. Water is too much. Just taking out some of the water, guys. Too much water. Okay, that's okay now. So what I do, I'm going to pressure it. My pressure cooker. Sometimes I don't use a pressure cooker. I just cook it just like that. So watch as I go, guys. And remember to share, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. At least Henry Family TV is on. That's guys, just watch as I go. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to prepare in the meantime, I'm going to prepare my juice. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. Yes, guys. So my stew peas is cooking. So I have my rice pot here ready. Okay, guys. So I'm going to wash, turning on the fire. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put a piece of scallion because I don't really use it. No margarine, no butter in it. Okay, guys. If you want to put it in it, you can. But I don't. I'm cutting off the grease. So what I did, I put a piece of scallion in there. I don't have any pepper to use. I just put a piece of scallion. I already washed my scallion. I'm going to put some salt. This is what I do, guys. Not much. So my scallion is in. And I'm going to taste my pot now. If you want to season up your rice pot, it's a plain white rice. So if you want to season up your rice pot, you can put whatever you want to put in it. But I only put like a piece of scallion. And if I have pepper, I have no pepper. I don't have a whole of pepper. I only have a cut pepper. So if you want to put it in whatever way you want to season it, that you can. But this is how I do it. I just put a piece of scallion in it and a little salt. Right, guys? I'm going to taste my pot now. Maybe you can take a little bit more water. It's okay now, guys. You can take a little bit more water. A little bit more water. And remember, guys, always have your water prepared in case of any emergency. You need hot water, always put your water here. Okay, so this is it now. So this is my rice. I'm going to wash my rice. So my soup is cooking. Okay, guys. I'm going to gauge my fire just a little bit like this. Okay, guys. I'm going to wash my rice now. So the sink is on the other side. So here's my sink on this side, guys. And my rice is washing. My sink here. Sometimes I strain it off like this. Sometimes I put the pipe on it like this. So you wash it with your hands. Like this. This is how I do it. I wash and I wash. You can strain it off like this. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. So my water is boiling up now. So I'm going to put my rice in now. Okay, guys. See, my water is boiling. Okay, guys. See, boiling up. My scallion. And if you want to put anything, onion, anything, thyme, anything. So this is what I'm doing now. You don't have to do like this. Use your hands. We used to use our hands. You can use your hands too. I'm just showing you sometime. When I'm not that busy, I'm not going to work. I spend these times on the pot. So you can do like this. Or you can strain it off like this. Use your hands. See my pot? Dry your hands. I dry my hands. See my rice pot here? I'm going to try that pot now, okay guys? So my rice pot is on and my cookie pot is on. So guys, welcome back to my channel now. I'm going to show you my stew peas is on the fire. The peas is cooked, but the meat needs some more cooking. So my rice is also cooking. So I'm going to show you how I make my juice now. Okay guys? I washed my hands already, but I'm going to wash again. My pipe here. So this is my melon. Cut it like this. And I put them in my basin. This is how I do it, guys. And I have my bucket here with my chiffon cloth. This melon is so nice. It's so refreshing, guys. So refreshing. Juicy. And guys, I have some strawberries. It is frozen. I'm going to put it with. I washed all my stuff already, but I'm still showing you how I wash them. I have my guava here, my ginger, and I have guava also. I washed them already, but I'm just showing you how I wash them. This is my guava. So it is melon, strawberry, 5 pieces of ginger, 3 guavas, carrots, beetroot, and a lemon. Okay guys, so what does I go? I'm gonna put it here. You don't have to put a lot in it, guys. If you want to split your guava, fine. Look at it now, guys. Hold it like this, and you can hold it on top here. And if you can hold some more, you put in it. Okay, guys, I have some more here. I'm gonna go. You can cut it small. My blender is big, so you can, and it's soft. Okay, guys. So I have my bucket here, and I'm going to pour it in my bucket. For you to see? Right, I'm going to put it here. You see, guys? That's it. I'm going to show you after. So this is it, guys. So I have some more water here. Put in according to the size of your blender. So what I do, I just cut it. I can scrape it like this. Let me show you how I scrape it, guys. Yeah, that's how I scrape it. You can do everything together. You can choose it, scrape before. So I put it here. My thing. I'm just showing you how I do it. I cut off the top, cut the bottom, and you scrape it like this. You see it, guys? Scrape it like this, like this, like this, guys. So my rice is cooking over there. You use any amount you want, depends on what you have. And over here, just scrape it like this. If you don't want to scrape it, fine. Like this, guys. I have one leaf, so I'm going to scrape it and put it in. I wash them. So all have been washed, but I'm just washing up. Let's see how it washed. I'm going to put a lemon in it. And what I do, guys, I just cut like this. Let me use a bigger knife. I cut like this. And I put it in the blender just like this. Everything has been washed, guys. It's my beetroot. I don't feel it. Sometimes I do, but I'm not going to do it today. I do like this. And I do like this. And guys, clean as you go, guys. Clean as you go. To make it not too messy, just clean as you go. Okay, guys? Let's put this over here. So my blender is waiting on me now. So if you want to wash, you wash all your fruit before. But I wash all of my fruit before, but I'm just showing you how I do it. Okay, guys? And you put it according to your size. You put like this. And if you want to grater, you grater. Like this, guys. If you want to chop it up small, you can. If you want to cut it like this, you can. Depends on the size of your blender. See my pressure cooker over there cooking? Let me gauge my fire. And my rice is also cooking. See this, guys? I can smell the ginger. So whatever size you want to put it according to your blender, don't put them too big. It will break the blender. It will mash your blender to pieces. Okay, guys, you can see? And I use whatever fruit is in season. When there's a lot of fruit, when the fruit is a lot of fruits, I use a lot of fruits. Like this, guys. This one is red because of the beetroot. Guys, I put too much in it. Okay, let me take out a little bit. Just a little. Oh, it's almost there. I have some more left. This is it, guys. There you go. Need some more time. And guys, this blender is very good. Ninja. It's very good. All this, guys, this can be dangerous. See, guys? Remove my blender. Wipe my area. As you can see it. You see, guys, I'm going to wash my blender. Washed out my blender. And guys, we have to be careful of this blade. It's very sharp. As you use your blender, guys, please wash this and put it away. Don't put it in the sink. Just wash it in the sink and put it away. So after I put it from here with the cover. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how I juice it out now. This is my blender full. And my bucket is filled also. So guys, I'm going to show you how I do it. Instead of using a strainer, guys, I try to get a chiffon cloth. It has a zipper in it. And you can do it like this. Look at it, guys. Look at it. And there would be no pulp. See it, guys? Just squeeze it like this. Squeeze it like this, guys. Squeeze it like this. So it is carrot, beetroot, strawberry, ginger, and lemon, and melon. That's my juice for the day. And if you want to wash this out, you can put water in it and wash it again. All right, look, I'm going to wash it now. So I squeeze it like this. So I'm going to catch water on this and show you how I do it. Don't waste your juice, guys. This is what I do. I put it in here and I squeeze it out, guys. Squeeze it out. Let me show you. I wipe as I go. I wash my hands also. This is how I do it, guys. I squeeze it like this so I don't waste anything. See, I got some more juice here. See, guys? So it has a zipper in it. See, guys? Ring it like you're ringing clothes. I have lots of juice here. You don't have to do this, but I don't want it to waste. So I do this. If you want to just do it this one time, fine. Here, guys, throw it in the garbage. And wipe your ear as you go, guys. So this, I have more juice here. And see, guys, that's my juice. This is my juice. Okay, guys, so I have my juice here. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Mix it. And you don't, guys, you don't have to mix it. Drink it just like this. You don't have to put nothing at all in it. Okay? So I cover. Okay, guys. Let it stay there. And then I'm going to finish my stew peas. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you. My pot is boiling. So I'm going to show you the rest. Okay, guys? See my pot there? Guys. Welcome back, guys. Remember to share, subscribe, tell a friend, like, and share again. This is my pot now. This is my rice pot. Yes, you can see my rice pot. Okay. This is my stew peas. Can you see, guys? Stew peas. Guys, you can put a little coconut milk in it. So this is my coconut milk. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, guys, this is my coconut milk. You can see, guys? Okay. And I'm going to put my spinners in. I'm going to make it and let you see. Okay, guys? I washed my hands already, so I'm going to wash again. So my coconut milk is boiling, and I'm going to make my spinners. And I'm going to show you what is spinners. You can use a spoon if you don't want to. So these are my seasoning. If you don't want to put much seasoning, you don't have to. Look at it, guys. You make your spinners like dumplings. You can make them in whatever shape you want. This is how I make it, guys. This is how I make it. You can see? You can put, if you want more coconut milk, you can put in it. Okay, guys. So I have some more left. But make sure your coconut milk is well boiled. You can dip a little water in here. See? See my pot? This is roll and press. Big up the colors. The one that the man who inspired me to do my YouTube. Big up colors and his team. Okay, guys, you can see. So I'm gonna let it set for like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, guys. This is my rosemary and my cloves and my thyme. I don't put my thyme leaves in the pot. I don't put my, sometimes I put the cloves, but I try to prevent all the leaves from put it in my pot. So what I do, I steam it or boil it, let it stay there and sit, and then I put it in the fridge, and then from from whatever I put it in, I pour it from it and put it in my meat, whatever season. But to get rid of all the leaves and whatever, it is how I do it. So I boil it, so it tastes the same, just the same. Just a little. I put it in the pot. Smells so good. Instead of putting the leaves, I just boil it or steam it, pour it in the pot. See, my coconut is on top here. You can see, guys. It's nice. I'm going to put in my spinach now. Let's sit there and boil for a bit. Remember, guys, to share, subscribe, tell a friend that Henry's Henry Family TV is on. So I'm drying my hands with my towel, and I'm going to make my spinach now. And my rice has been cooked, so it's just steaming a bit. See? And you make it in whatever shape you want. Okay, guys, this is my pot here. You want to make it big, small? This is how I make it, guys. If you want to make it big, if you want to make it round, fine, no problem. Remember to tell a friend to tell another friend. And how is it going so far? How is it going for the day? God has been good to us. Isn't He good to us? God has been good to us. You have to just tell Him thanks. And whatever you want, it's right there. God will provide it for you. But you have to work by praying and trusting God. Okay, guys? We don't have to fight. We don't have to quarrel. Just trust the Lord. Okay, guys? Look at my pot coming up. And see, guys? You see? I tip a little coconut milk in it. See my spinach now? What I do? Roll. This is not roll and press. This is just roll. This is just roll, guys. Now you can make it whatever shape you want it to. See, guys? See my rice pot? Shelly rice. Good. If you want to make big ones, you can. If you want to make small ones, you can. If you want to make them smaller, like this, want the smaller ones, you can do it. So this one job to smell, you can catch my pot. Hurry up and come. Whoever is coming to catch my pot, guys. See my pot there? See, guys? See it? It's coming up. And I have I have cayenne pepper here. I'm going to tip a little in it. Just a little. Cayenne pepper is good, guys. I have my ginger. I put ginger in everything. Long as I remember, I put ginger, grounded ginger. Put a little like this in it. Because guys, I don't use a lot of seasoning, so I just use the ginger. This is all purpose, so you just tip a little. Because this is not salt. Just a little, guys. Welcome back, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Look at my pot now. Can you see, guys? You see? Okay, I'm gonna put my seasoning now. I'm gonna cut it. Scallion, onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, just a little piece. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. My onion here. Look at it. Okay, piece of hot pepper, sweet pepper if you have it. I have this, guys. Look at it, guys. I have a mini sweet pepper. So you use whatever you want. Okay. So this is it now, guys. My scallion, my onion, my big sweet pepper, my small sweet pepper. That's it. There, guys. Pull it up. Pull up the camera some more. Let us see. Let me see my finished product now. Can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? I'm going to taste it. Let me turn up the fire. Can you see, guys? It's my stew piece. I'm going to taste it. This is it. Cut it. I do it like this. Okay. All ready. Okay. Thanks for watching. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for watching again. And this is my finished product. This is my stew piece. And this is my rice, and I'm going to share it. You can see, guys. You see, guys. Rice. To my plate. This is my presentation now. So I have my here stew piece. This is my finished product. And remember, guys, this is a piece. Okay, guys. And my daughter is going to test it. Tell me how it tastes. Right? Can you see, guys? This is my finished product. And this is the drinks. This is my beetroot, carrot, and strawberry and all sort of juice. Okay, so she's going to test it now and let you see. Don't trouble it. She's going to test it now, guys.
Hi guys, it's me again, and you can't see me, but I'm gonna test the stewed peas and the rice with some juice and see how it is. Here we go, guys. See, guys, it's perfect, guys. Perfect. It's nice. You can taste the real coconut inside. Now, I'm gonna try the beetroot juice and carrots with strawberry and guava and ginger.
No sugar.
It's good, guys. It's good. No sweetness added, no sugar, all natural.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember.
Okay, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and leave a notification, guys. And always remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Bye.